implementations of an information system versus a reduced number of larger implementations of an information system, then there are scale economies. Nandan Nilekani has coined a nice phrase, national information utilities, where his vision is that there should be a class of institutions and agencies who combine the competence and professionalism and capabilities of the private sector while still serving the public interest in some sense. And we need to ask ourselves, how do we capture these economies of scale in a market-led way? The point number 3 is that I think all of us are increasingly seeing that the way to make progress, the way to get things done, the way to get outreach, going out to a very large section of the population, is to harness the incentives of private firms and not to use government. The role of government is to build public goods. The role of government is to lay the basic regulatory and legal infrastructure. And after that, it is a job of the private sector to reach the last mile. And this is a completely different vision and a framework and a behavioral mode as compared to the way we used to be. We used to be old socialist India, where the government would do this and the government would do that. And today, I think we are increasingly understanding that outreach will work better if it's driven by the private sector, if it's dominated by the private sector, with the government playing a role on policy, on regulation, on law enforcement, on making the courts work. One of the most dangerous things that's happening in India is the way the courts are not functioning.